Imagine making it all the way to Japan, excited to explore the country and discover its charms, only to be swallowed by a sea of tourists. Over tourism is posing a pressing problem in Japan's travel landscape, which is why today I want to introduce you to a hidden gem nestled in Japan's northernmost prefecture, a destination that promises breathtaking vistas, ancient ruins, and delectable treats. My name is Vijal, you're watching Tokyo Pass 3, and this is Kitami City in Hokkaido. Kitami is a city in the eastern part of Hokkaido, Japan's northernmost prefecture. It's the largest city in the Okhotsk subprefecture and is known for mint, the sport curling, and mouth-watering yakiniku. I confess that prior to being invited to explore the city, I knew little about it, which is why I was all the more excited to get to know it better. And one of the best ways to do it is via cycling and kickboarding.
Hey everyone, good morning. We are currently in Tsurutsuru Onsen, and we're going to start the day with practicing riding an e-bike and a kickboard. And wish me luck, because we know that I'm not the most agile person in the world. But I just really hope that I don't slow everyone down, and I'm gonna try my best. Wish me luck. 動画だよ。どこに行くの？お、いい感じ、いい感じ。お、バイバイ。
Once you've gotten used to our chosen means of transportation, we went on our way, and let me tell you, zipping through an open road with rolling fields unfolding before your eyes, it's an exhilarating experience that just filled me with joy.
Yay!
This was our first stop, a roadside rest area. It has a bunch of shops and eateries featuring the area's local delicacies. Kitami City is Japan's top producer of onions, and it's one of the places you can get the rare onion croquettes, where the filling is made of onions instead of potatoes. It's really sweet and delicious. The rest area is also known for its karakuri, or mechanical cuckoo clock. You can even go inside it and play with other karakuri displays. Our next stop was the Northern Daiichi Aquarium, a unique facility that boasts the most freshwater fish in Japan. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by a curved tank that is made to simulate a waterfall basin. It's the first of its kind in Japan, and you can watch fish swim against powerful currents. The next exhibit is also a world first. It's an aquarium tank that freezes over during Hokkaido's unforgiving winters. Here you'll witness firsthand how freshwater fish adapt to the extreme cold, offering a unique perspective on their resilience. But the true stars of the Northern Daiichi Aquarium are the Ito, or Japanese stringfish, known for their remarkable size. Some of these stringfish grow to an impressive 1 to 2 meters in length, making for a jaw-dropping, mystical encounter you won't want to miss. The Northern Daiichi Aquarium is relatively small compared to other aquariums in Japan, but it packs a punch with its captivating exhibits and unique tanks. We ended up staying here longer than we intended because everything was just fascinating. Also near the Northern Daiichi Aquarium is the Kitakitsune Farm, which serves as the home of around 50 northern and cross-haired foxes. They are subspecies of the red fox that is native to Hokkaido. Here you can observe these animals roam freely, play with their siblings, and sleep their way into the day.
あくびした。取れなかった。
どういうふうに見分けてますか？なんか全然顔とかで顔ですか？
顔と体つきと色の濃さとか。
なるほど。今何匹ぐらいいますか？
今子供も入れて50。
50。なるほど。
You can get close, but not too close because while they are to some extent domesticated, they're still wild animals. Red foxes are naturally slim, and in summer, they shed most of their coat. This can easily be mistaken for the foxes being underfed, but they're well taken care of in this facility. By the way, you can also find tanuki or raccoon dogs here, but they usually shy away from people. Red foxes, especially around the Okhotsk area, are rather a common sight, but Kitakitsune Farm gives visitors a rare chance to see them up close. Seeing all these places in Kitami filled me with so much excitement, perhaps way too much, because on the way back to Tsurutsuru Onsen, I slipped on a downward slope and fell off my bike.
結局転んじゃいました。痛かった。
Thankfully, it was nothing that a bowl of ramen couldn't fix.
I've been having such a wonderful time here in Kitami, and even though I fell off my bike yesterday, overall, just the sceneries and the different views in this place just makes me feel relaxed. And today is our last day, so I'm gonna make the most out of it.
The theme of today's cycling adventure is ruins and relics, and we're starting the day at Tokoro Forest of Remains. Now, Hokkaido's frigid winters may be challenging, but they've also worked some magic, preserving relics that date back to the Jomon and Satsumon periods. That's nearly 24,000 years ago. Believe it or not, you'll find these ancient treasures right here at this facility, along with recreated dwelling pits from bygone eras. But wait, there's more history hidden in the nooks and crannies of Kitami City. Some of them are hidden in plain sight, like these bunch of shells on a roadside. Others require a bit of exploration into wooded areas. They can be difficult to detect by the untrained eye because they just seem like depressions in the ground, but there actually were houses were once built. My favorite part of this tour, though, is pedaling through the Wakka Nature Center. This coastal grassland, snugly nestled between Lake Seroma and the Okhotsk Sea, features a meandering path that stretches 20 kilometers. Around 300 species of flowers bloom here, and at one point, we even saw wild deer.
いやー、微妙です。
But just as I fell off my bike the day before, this day did not go without setbacks. Rain started falling, which turned into hail, and at one point, we had to take shelter in the middle of nowhere and then ride a truck to collect our bikes. For what it's worth, all these quote-unquote mishaps made the trip more memorable.
雨の自転車はいかがでしたか？
暑かったから、これできる。
本当？
Kitami City truly is a delight to explore, but all these exciting sights are just half of the adventure. In the next video, we'll look at what to eat and where to stay. Until next time, this has been Michelle for Tokyo Pass 3. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!